Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I gonna to show you how to make a customized iPhone ringtone without computer or iTunes, no jailbreak. You go to Safari and then type YouTube. Type youtube.com and tap go. And then search your favorite song that you want to put ringtone. For me, I want to put song Justin Bieber. And tap song. Just let me know now. Tap done. And then tap here. And then copy link the song. And then go to document and swipe to left and type convert to mp3.net. Type convert to mp3.net and tap go. And then pass the link URL. Pass the link URL song. And then tap go. Please wait it converting. When it convert finish, you tap here. Tap here. And then tap download start 10. You can rename it. And now you can move the file to iCloud. Tap iCloud and done. So you swipe to right and then go to folder iCloud. Now but it downloading the file that you download from the website convert to mp3.net. Waiting it. Wait it until finished. Now it finished. Download finished. Tap here to testing. Back and then go to app GarageBand. Open the GarageBand. Tap on the arrow left top corner and create new song. Audio recorder. Tap the time class icon. Tap here and top arrow to 30 seconds. Done. Click OK. And tap here and tap here Now it's not yet have the file. You import from iCloud, document, and DJ Snake let me know. Tab. Now import finished. DJ Snake let me know. Test. Tab hold it to out. Play to testing. Close. I used to believe. Stop it. And you can cut, copy, paste, and split, and more anything else that you want. Loop, rename, or setting, or duplicate. Tap on the arrow left top corner, my song, and then you can rename the song. Testing tune, T-O-N-E, testing tune. You click done, and then tap, hold it, and select it, and then select ringtone, and continue, and export it. Tap export, and OK, and tap done. Now go to see the ringtone that you make ready. Go to setting, scroll down, sound, and tap ringtone. Now you see the adjusting tone here. You can put the ringtone that you want. I used to believe. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, please let me know if you have any question in the comment below. Also like the video and subscribe to my channel. You would see my next video. Now I want to show you how to delete ringtone. First go setting and see the ringtone that you want to delete. The sound and ringtone. Now I want to delete adjusting tone. Adjusting tone. And you go to GarageBand. And tap which one ringtone that you want. Tap here and tap here and ringtone and continue, and then tap your ringtone. Now it have 4 ringtone. Tap edit and select here, tap here to delete. Hit done. Export ringtone. Export ringtone and OK. Cancel. Done. Now back to see your ringtone. It has been deleted or not. Now tap ringtone. Now here the song Justin Tune, it has been deleted. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, please let me know if you have any question in the comment below. Also like the video and subscribe to my channel. You would see my next